This is a story you will hear about a lot over the next few days and weeks. The 2G money trail hitting a dead end. Dr. Subramanian Swamy is still with me. You're the petitioner in this case. You managed to take the case this far, and now CBI sources are telling us that the case has hit a dead end. That's because the Swiss authorities are not responding to their letter rogatories. How do you intend to deal with this issue, sir?
Well, first of all, this is your scoop, and if the CBI people have told you that the case is in a dead end, then they we better get into some news to the CBI officers, because most of the case has got nothing to do with the money trail. It's got to do with the loss to the National Exchequer, the fact that some of them sold their licenses and made a huge amount of money, and therefore it came under Section 13, bracket 1, bracket D, part 3, where there is no money trail question at all. And all these accused will get convicted on that basis, whether their money trail data comes or not. Second thing is that the CBI has to file a status report. Then only we'll know exactly what has happened. I can't really rely on a scoop in a media to know exactly what the CBI has told.
But the money trail, Dr. Swamy, is important, because that would prove direct personal culpability.
But I don't know. I don't know.
Prove whether or not A. Raja made any money. The CBI is saying that the NDA has tried to get the Swiss authorities to respond. Do you buy the argument?
Again, you are interrupting.
Do you buy the argument?
You please listen to what I have said. By what argument? I have not seen what the CBI has said to the court. So when they make the status report, only then I will know. Today I have to go by your version of what the CBI has been saying. I'd like to see it. First of all, I'd like to make it very clear. The case does not depend on money trail for sending these people to jail. It depends on the question of proving loss to the National Exchequer and some people making illegal gains. And that has been already more or less proved. And so there's a question of conviction on those on that ground is certain.
Do you feel, Dr. Swamy, that the 2G case could be going the Bofors way, dragged for 2 decades and finally given up?
That is your propaganda.
No, it's not my propaganda.
That's your headlines. Of course, what else? Well, you don't answer now. You don't listen to what I'm saying. I've told you that the charge in the 2G has got only one of the charges has got to do with money trail. The Bofors is all about money trail. Here it's a different matter altogether. We are talking about why the licenses are cancelled, because there was a loss cost to the nation, and some people gained by it, and some ministers were responsible for it. So that part is unaffected by, even if our story is true. So therefore, don't make it out as if the whole case has collapsed.
No, I'm not making it out as if the case is collapsing. I'm deeply concerned about the fact that the CBI is not being able to push the needle and find out who really benefited, and if indeed the former telecom minister and his associates made money, how much. That needs to be proven. Dr. Subramanian Swamy for joining me on Center Stage. Thank you very much.